Hello, this video is from Celebration. We went, it was the Saturday in the middle of the holiday. We went because they had a supercar show on and Steve wanted to go and have a look. It is possibly the busiest we have ever seen Celebration, and that is including their Christmas light switch on. We couldn't park. It took us about half an hour to find somewhere to park, and we were parked way out of the actual centre, so it took us a good 10 maybe 15 minutes to walk to where all the cars were. But there were lots of lovely cars. Don't expect me to say what any of them are because I have no clue, but you'll see lots of videos of them. But then they did have a row of DeLoreans. I know that one. And they had the car from, they had the Ghostbusters car. They had the car from National Lampoon's Vacation. They had some of the Jurassic Park vehicles. They had some other ones which I cannot remember at the moment. They were all off in a sectioned off area where you could pay I think it was $20 I think it was each to go and have your photos taken right next to them and stuff. It was good. It was on it was put on for the Make-A-Wish Foundation, I think it was. So it was for a very good cause. Loads of cars. So yeah, enjoy if you like cars. Like I said, here's a whole row of DeLoreans, and then across the way we've got the car from Ghostbusters. And then I think the main reason that Steve wanted to come is they also had the car from Ferris Bueller's Day Off. As you can see, he's there taking a picture of it. And next to that is the one from National Lampoon's Vacation. What? Huh? I don't think so, no.
I like Christmas Vacation.
That's your one from Ferris Bueller. Oh, look, that one's actually got the license plate saying out of time on it. Okay, if anybody can tell me what films these two are from, because I have no clue. They were in the roped off area, so they must be from something. And this one, yes, I know. I should really know these things, but I can't remember. I'm sure Steve could tell me, but I'm not going to ask him that one. Wow, bright orange. Look at that one now. Oh, orange car. Look, it's the Knight Rider car. And then I think there's some Jurassic Park ones down the bottom there as well. That's a nice one. I like that. Oh my gosh, they've even got the hoverboard, look. Love that. Okay, this was a stand that was selling all sorts of car and make paraphernalia, so loads of signs, oil signs, very collectible things over in the US, so they was making that day. Because we were in Celebration, we had to make a stop off at Adam the Woo's bench and pay our respects. We're heading in that direction anyway, so. Load of Porsches down here. Oh, look at the flame pattern on that one. That's cool. Drink coming. Don't know whether they are free or not. So we're in Celebration. They've got a car festival thing on, so they've got loads of fancy cars. There's supposed to be a few celebrities here, but we haven't seen anybody. But they're giving out free energy drinks, so this is hopefully going to make up for the fact that I've only had 1 cup of coffee today. We shall see. We are currently sat by the fountain. There's so many people here. In fact, I haven't even seen it this busy when we've been here at Christmas, when they've put the Christmas lights on. It took ages to park, probably about half an hour to find somewhere. So yeah, we're just here relaxing by the fountain, by the lake, drinking an energy drink to give us energy for the rest of the day. These aren't drinking energy drinks now because they've got enough, haven't they? No. Here you have. Here's the fountain and there's the lake. Yeah, Celebration, so beautiful. And then it is very packed over there with all the cars. Go on then, Lauren, run, 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 run. No back. Probably around somewhere, I just didn't see them. Seriously, never seen this place, it's so busy. Come again tomorrow, it'll be absolutely dead.